Hello, and welcome to News Panorama on ZTV. My name is Johanna. Today's news is on how the foreign students here in Mauritius are celebrating the Christmas season.
I'm here with some foreign students and they're here to share with us their Christmas experiences here in Mauritius. Yeah, good afternoon guys.
Good afternoon, how are you?
So how's the experience been celebrating Christmas in foreign land?
It was very nice, we had a lot of fun, there were a lot of firecrackers and we see so many people's culture and everything. It was really great, I really appreciate it.
Thank you sir. How about you?
It was awesome. It's a new experience for me and it's surprising that it's on an island. Thank you.
It's very good, yeah.
And it's very good.
Yeah, that's all from me, Salisu, and over to you, Johanna.
Thank you, Salisu, and good night.